My name is Victoria Chisu. From this Russia, I have learned a lot of things because from the time that my mom was founded, our parents had a notion that Sampo was the rock that traveling with the diamond. They never knew that diamond came from the volcano and pull it up with all, roll all the rock came up with the diamond. So whatsoever they see, the black quartz, they classify it as diamond sample. But today, I learned in this training that the mammo quartz is what we call sample, diamond sample, because it twists and it goes along with the diamond in the rivers and the stream. It hit against one another and it have a deposit one place there where you find most diamond. Where you find most mammo rock, you find most diamond. I get to know it. And I get to learn in this training again because we've been thinking that diamond is heavier than rock. So each year, when we are doing our mineral work, we cut the rock. But in the training, I was taught how to separate the rock 3 times. To divide the rock, that is to wash the rock and then separate it. Also, that makes me to know that rock and diamond has the same density. I never knew. So each year we will do diamond work, we will cut the rock and chunk the big diamonds away. And most often we see big diamonds over the rock, but we've been thinking that in fact the chick that we usually has magnet or diamond has magnet. No, the diamond does not have magnet. So I've learned all of these things in the training. So I really appreciate the training and I tell Diamond for please thank you for the knowledge that they passed over to me.